Hey Internet, Ghost here with mini vlog 453. Now I did go back and get a few things. Come back to see this couch, sofa thing. There's a tape on it because apparently it's been ripped. Well, seems okay. Got some stuff here which I'm guessing is cooking stuff, microwave, a toaster and such. Yeah, just have to undo those, unpack them. Microwave. I did give a key to them. Yeah, that seems to be working. Okay, some manuals. Yeah. That's a bill. Probably moved in transit. There we go. I'm sure I'll fix that. Close. I wonder where the key is. Not sure. Shove those in there for now. Don't need you to see them. So yeah. Get the key right out. Wonder where the key is. Not in there. The guy said he would leave the key that I gave him. Yeah, I bought the waterproof me Pittsburgh jacket, the shoulder bag, the camel jacket, woolly jacket. Now, there's one thing I actually would like to know is internet. Ethernet cable. What cable is this? I don't think that's safe. Can't see no Ethernet port. Maybe that's supposed to be one. Not sure. That. I'm guessing one of these is Ethernet for Wi-Fi stuff. Though I'd rather not have a desk out there by the door. It seems a bit fucked. I'm sure I can fix that. So by the looks of things, those are the only ones. Because I can't see any others. That's awesome. It's just like foldable. But looks like it folds out. I don't think I've actually seen any other ports for Ethernet. So, aerial stuff. So either I'm guessing I won't have a desktop for a while. Well, I'm not going to get a desktop for a while since it's elsewhere in the country. But, right, oh, you down there. Anyway. This is supposed to be like washer dryer pumps. Don't know. I know there's ones in downstairs. So yeah. Kidoki. That's a bit stiff. So she said, what? Wait, what? What are you talking about? Oh yeah, that's a sink. Yeah. Is the water one? Yep. Okay. It would be nice to have an Ethernet cable around here. Kind of looks like it's supposed to be one of them. And I know I've gone on for like just over 6 minutes. Yeah, it'd be nice to have Ethernet there. Don't know what these wires are for. Anyway, I'm going to grab more stuff. It's about 5:30 in the evening. I'm not going to go back to the hotel room to the flat. Well, it was, but it pretty much takes way too long. It takes an hour there and an hour back. My legs are freaking tired. Anyway, so therefore, I'm having this Apollo Don Bowl instant noodles. So for was it chicken flavour? So yeah, 3 minutes and that should be ready. So until next time, ladies, gentlemen, and whoever else, whatever.